your clockwise, my anti-clockwise. Do that. Let's make sure you have that. Yeah, that. Bump, 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 bump. Bump, 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 bump. And we'll do the anti-spin, and then in-spin, reverse, anti-spin, reverse, anti-spin, and reverse. Reverse back, reverse. You could reverse it from here. That's not against the rules. It's just a different rule. Let's do 5 more sets. So we'll start in the anti-spin. I'll count off. 5, 6, 7, go. And around, and reverse. And anti-spin, and reverse. Anti-spin, reverse. Anti-spin, reverse. And then last time, anti-spin, last time, reverse. You're going around this way. And then this way. Anti-spin, and this is in-spin, anti-spin, in-spin. So out and down, and then all the way around, and out and down. You're right, and up, and all the way around, and left and down, and right, and up, and all the way around, left and down, and right, and up, all the way around. So 5, 6, 7, and go. Half, and then a full way around, and now anti-spin down, and in-spin around, and anti-spin down, and in-spin around, anti-spin reverse, and all the way around, and anti-spin reverse, and all the way around, and anti-spin reverse, and last time, and all the way around.